So tonight, I'm so excited that I got the new Shaper router workstation. This is something that has been on back order, pre-order for months. I've been trying to find one and I finally found one. So I got this the other day and I'm anxious to use this and see how it works. It's gonna kind of completely change what I can do with the router. I'm gonna be able to do stuff like tenons, mortises, clamp things vertically, do box joints. I'm excited about the possibilities of what this is going to bring. This is something that I've been looking forward to for a long time. So let's unbox it and see what it looks like inside, and then we'll put it together and we'll do a project with it. There's some very cool items on the Shaper Hub that are free that I can copy and do, that I've been looking at, that I'm excited. So let's see what we got. So I'm going to carefully open this up. Can't even see what I'm doing, but looks like it's nicely packaged. The first layer has got a, let's bring the camera over here so you can see what's inside. It's got a few pieces here. We're gonna open that, probably a support bar, clamping. Got an Allen wrench. Looks like it's nicely packaged, well protected. Assortment tool bag. Some parts in it for holding it all together. So I'll have to open those up. This one we're gonna have to read the instructions on, see how to put this one together. Looks like you got some extra, maybe spoiler boards. You're doing dovetails or box joints. Some backup boards, sacrificial fences, so when you do some cutting, you don't get some splintering. Help reduce the tear out. An unpacking box. Instructions for unpacking the box, I guess it is. And this is the permanent tape, so I won't have to be using as much tape. I can reuse this. Looks like it's laminated on here really well, and I'm not going to wear that out like you might with the tape on a board. So hopefully it's not a consumable product. So as we get a little bit deeper, the book of instructions, Shaper Workstation. Every language possible. And that's probably the bulk of it. I'm gonna assume that's the bulk of it. So we'll see if we can put some of that together. So what's included is the table, an upright vertical clamping section, stuff to support a table, 2 brackets to support that, and a support arm.